Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up a content for type contact in Squeedo. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your data. Let's get started. When you sign in, the first page you see is the dashboard. To access the content feature, simply click on the menu and then select Content. Now you can see different types of content. My contact file is for my customers, so I select the option Create Customer. Now before we go ahead, let's go through the data which I would like to upload. I have saved my contacts data in a file. Now you can see that the file contains fields such as customer ID, salutation, first name, last name, date of birth, email, gender, and country. Now let's upload this file. My contacts file is for my customers, so I select the option Customer. My file format is CSV, so I will select Have a CSV option. Squeedo accepts XLS, XLSX, and CSV format files. Now you see that Squeedo automatically identifies the structure of my data. You can see two blocks: Field Settings block, where you can see the fields from the file, and Sample Records block, where you can see sample of first 200 records from your file. In the Field Settings block, you can observe the field name, source name, data type, mandatory, ignore, and action columns. The source name indicates the column header name from the file. Squeedo also detects the data type for each column, whether it is number, text, or date. User can make any field mandatory or ignore it. When a field is marked mandatory, then that field should have data for every record, or it will show an error. Similarly, when user ignores a field, Squeedo will not import that column. Now I am ignoring the salutation field. Squeedo will also show you the sample data from the file to give you the glimpse of the data which you are uploading. Here you can see 200 errors shown. These errors occur when there's a mismatch between the field settings and the uploaded data. For example, here the date of birth has a data type of date, but the selected format in the field settings is not matching. How do we resolve this error? Simply click on the data type option next to the date field, select the DD-MM-YYYY format, and click Save. Now you can see the errors are gone and you are ready to proceed. Now, Squeedo has understood your data. It needs some more information. For example, do you want Squeedo to handle duplicates in your data? In my case, I need my email field to be unique. I will select the email field from the drop-down. Also, I will check Use for Update. And that is all. Squeedo is set up to reject any records with duplicate email IDs from my file. Once you've made the selections, click Next. Now we are done with the setup. It is time to import your data. In most cases, you would want to proceed with the imports right there. But occasionally, you may want to do that later. Squeedo will allow you do either of these. In my case, I am going ahead with importing data from my file and click Next. Now your contacts are imported. It is time to set up some additional configuration. Squeedo has given you the freedom to bring in your file in your format. Now, for you to enable Squeedo to run campaigns, you need to tell Squeedo which are the key fields in your file. For example, your customer's first name, email, etc. I am selecting the relevant fields. And click Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully set up a content. Now you are ready to run your campaign. We'll cover that in another video. Thank you for watching.